Hello kids, welcome to the Kidz screen. Hello kids, today we are going to learn about the healthy and a balanced diet in our life. The major elements of balanced diet are minerals, nutrients, fibers and vitamins. Major nutrients comprises of lipids, carbohydrates, proteins and vitamins. The major sources of nutrients are meat, milk, vegetables and the fruits, and we should eat that daily. These are dietary fibres that keep balance in our body and prevent us from constipation and other diseases. Vitamins can be classified in two categories: the fat-soluble vitamins and the water-soluble vitamins. Kids, vitamins are very much important for our body. Now I am going to show you the major sources of them. Milk, butter, eggs, guava and other fruits, peas and seeds. For more such educational and informational videos, please like and subscribe our channel, The Kidz Screen. Thank you. Bye bye.